setup. With setup command you may specify parameters for drafting and final print size of your drawings. This command is very useful when you draw and print from model space. Setup displays a dialog where you set parameters for units. Select drawing units, affecting dimensions, measure etc. Paper size. Select from standard paper sizes, or user size, for your printing paper size. Not standard size paper can be typed in dimensions box, and is stored in user sizes list for future use. Scales. When you draw you are always using scale 1:1. Select the print scale for your drawing, which is displayed in the current scale box. Orientation. Select orientation for drawing and print your work. In the checkbox, you may select to adjust line type scale to drawing scale. When you press OK, a region occurs and a zoom to display the drawing limits of your setup settings. A light blue line is visible when you run zoom limits command to indicate the printable area. New drawings always have an A3 paper size and scale 1:100. You may run setup command at any stage of your work.